Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Civic oil. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies, including a new oil filter, fresh engine oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Make sure your car is parked on a flat, stable surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Take a moment to locate both the oil drain plug and the oil filter, which are usually found underneath the engine. Now, let's get that old oil out. Position your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the old engine oil to drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Once the oil flow slows to a drip, clean the drain plug and reinstall it, making sure it's tightened securely to prevent leaks. With the old oil drained, it's time for a new filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about a 3/4 turn more. Finally, add the recommended amount of fresh engine oil through the oil fill cap. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for a minute or two, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Also, carefully inspect around the drain plug and new filter for any signs of leaks. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks, known for their lifetime warranty and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.